I'll show you how my smart audio is set up to change the channels on the quad. So we've got this recording right now. I can turn different knobs on my radio on the top to change the channel and power. So this one changes the channel, this one changes the power. Right now I've got it set to 0 power. And if I exit this menu here on the VRX and get it locked into the channel and turn the power on. So turn this knob on, and now I've got 25 milliwatt coming in. Okay. And next up I could go to 200 milliwatt. I can turn this knob again to the right. Now I'm on 200. Let's put it back to 25. Now I'm going to switch my channel to channel 1. So I turn this knob down to 1, and then I'm going to have the VRX switch to channel 1. So there it is. I'll flip the arm again. Good thing I have a pre-arm. Everyone should have a pre-arm. So I'll flip this to channel 2 now. And a little bit further, and it'll go to channel 2. Okay, I'll flip this over to channel 2. There it is. So you can see how that works. Some really cool stuff you can do besides doing it with a knob is to take this off here and see if I can get the screen in view. If you hold the page button on here and go down to beta flight settings, and then we can get into VTX settings. And now I'm going to change the channel to channel 8 and then save that. And then there's channel 8. To show that again, I can go into the settings here and then switch this to channel, let's do 1 and 200 milliwatt, and then save page. And now let's check the VRX. Flip it over to channel 1, 200 milliwatt. Again, 25, save, and it'll turn off. Or sorry, go to 25. Another one we can do is we can go all the way to 0. Go to 0. So there's 0 power. Save that. Okay, and then that turns it off. Go to 25. Hold, save, page. Switches over to 25. So pretty cool stuff. I have been using that